Hello viewers, today I am going to make a cube logo. For that I chose 3 different color on the top. I will make the logo by this color. So let's start the job. Take a rectangular 150 mm into 150 mm and select a different color. Choose the color from Swatch. You will get Swatch from the window. Now view 3D and extrude bevel option. Isometric right and plastic mode. Now take another shape 150 mm into 150 mm and go to object, path and slide it 3 into 3. Now the rectangular divided into 9 box and choose it different colors. Press I button for choose color and select the rectangular. Select the color one by one from the swatch menu. Before you make a logo, you have to select the colors. For the tutorial, I am showing you. Now select the rectangular and drag into symbol. The rectangular select symbol and press here. The symbol can make different name by name. Now place in the 3D option. Go to appearance and 3D option. You have to place it font right and back. Now right, then go to font. This is the left. I am going to place it here also. And now the top. This is the top. Now you have to expand it. You will find the expand from the object. Expand and again expand. Now it's be a object. Now you have to ungroup this 3 times and also release the clipping mask. Ungroup and again ungroup and again. Now release the clipping mask. Before release the clipping mask, you should delete the background option. The 3D box I will delete. I delete that. Now right side and now that left side. the three sides are under clipping marks. You have to release that. It's now released. Now customize the box as you want. You can also customize the color. I will delete the side, delete this, and opposite side also delete, and choose the three object and rotate it 180 degree. It's not 180 degree, for that cause I am rotating again. Choose the three box and rotate it 180 degree. Now it's done. Now customize the color. Move the object, drag with that, and this object front to back, send it the back. Click the right button, go to arrange and send it back. Okay, it's done. If there are any group object, then ungroup that. Now move it also before, like before. Place that perfectly. Go to arrange and choose that as your wants. The logo almost done. Now go to, now customize the color, customize every side. I will exchange it different color, green, pink and blue. Now front side will be blue and right side will be green. Maybe pink will be better, for that cause I chose here pink. Then choose a logo name, and so viewers, the logo is almost done. For get these types of tutorial, subscribe my channel and like the video also. Thank you so much. Next week I will upload Illustrator Advanced Tutorial Part 3, and every week you will get logo tutorial with some hidden tips.